Okay, so this morning we are going to look at just logging in to Google Classroom. I will show you on a browser. I will also show you on an iPad just to show you the difference if there is any. So we're looking at getting to Google Classroom. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google on a browser. This could be on Microsoft Edge or on Google Chrome. And then in the top right corner of that window, you'll see a sign in button. If you click on that, and then you'll be given this. So I've got a blank account. So the one you'll be using will be your child's login details. But for Google, it will be that and then at what.bexley.sch.uk. And then press next. And then it will ask for your password. So now you'll see this is just Google again, but now you'll have an initial up in the top. So as soon as you see that up in the corner, that means you are logged in. So then if you press these 9 dots there, you'll be given all of these options. So the one we want to find is Google Classroom. And there you are, about Google Classroom. So your child's account will be populated with their Google Classroom. And I'm now going to show you how to do this on an iPad.
Okay, so this is how you will access Google Classroom on an iPad. So hopefully you will have Classroom downloaded. It will look like the app, the first one on the list. And all you need to do is click on that. And then it will come up with much the same sign-in as it was on the computer. So if you just type in the same login details, and it'll take you through to the next bit. Same thing again, just add the password. Put that in wrong. And just give it a second to load. And then you will be given, you'll be shown any of the classrooms that your child is already signed up to.